Morning everyone, welcome to the Australian Cyber Championships here on the Gold Coast, proudly sponsored by CyberPathways and CyberBit. We'd love to welcome Team Government and Team Enterprise as they competed out today in the CyberBit cyber range to see who can defend against the cyber attack the best. Good afternoon everyone, welcome to the Australian Cyber Championships. This afternoon we're here to announce the finalists and the winners, and we're very excited to say that the competition was extremely close. Both teams were very high scoring, and we have with us now the runner-ups from the government team, so we'd like to give them a big congratulations, round of applause, and we've got some gifts and some prizes for them to take away. Thank you very much guys, really appreciate it. Thank you. Chris, congratulations on being a winner of the Australian Cyber Championships.
Thank you.
How does it feel?
Yeah, it's great.
Excellent.
It's good.
I'm really keen to get your feedback on the event. What did you like about using the CyberBit platform?
Yeah, it was good. It was easy to sort of maneuver around and navigate around. A few little challenges with Splunk and all that, but it's good to learn, I guess.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Have you used cyber ranges before?
No, first time. Yeah.
Excellent. And do you think you'd recommend other people to try and experience the cyber range environment?
Yeah, absolutely. For that, instances and things like that, absolutely. Yeah.
Awesome. Well done. Hey George, congratulations on being a winner of the Australian Cyber Championships.
Thanks so much, Brendan. Appreciate it.
Very welcome. And how did you find the system? I'd be keen to get some feedback about your experience today.
So I love that there was little preparation required. You had all the tools that you needed to do the job. I found that the network was sometimes a little bit slow, but that probably was due to the location here. And I sort of the breadth of tooling that you had available with all the different things there. That was really, really good.
That's excellent.
And what else? Yeah, I think it was a good setup, and also that you support different operating systems. Like you had some boxes on Linux at the start, and then you had Windows later on, and that was really good to sort of see all of that
Perfect.
together. Yeah.
Joel, congratulations on being a winner of the Australian Cyber Championships. How did you like the experience today?
Yeah, it was good. It was really good to have everything we needed all there in one spot. It performed reasonably well. You don't normally get that.
Perfect. Have you used the cyber range before?
Yeah, played around with a couple of them, but never CyberBit.
And how do you think CyberBit compared to what you've seen before?
Yeah, it was good. The other ones that I've used were a little bit clunky, so didn't have that with CyberBit. So.
Fantastic. Connor, congratulations on being a winner of the Australian Cyber Championships. How did you enjoy the experience today?
It was really good. I enjoyed minimal fuss setup. It was easy to get into it, and once you were there, it was set up like a real corporate network with VLANs and layered technology. So
perfect. Have you used cyber range before?
I've used cyber range before, but they haven't been as broad in the environment that you're working in.
Fantastic. And how do you think a cyber range might help some of the people that you're working with?
It gives you as close as you can to real world experience when you're dealing with an incident and trying to remediate what's gone wrong.
Fantastic. Well, congratulations once again. Thank you very much for participating. We really enjoy the involvement of Solis Security, so thank you.
Thanks.
Cheers.